Hi, this is Richard Har for BBE 2201 Renewable Energy and the Environment class. And for Do Something and Report It project, I decided to conduct a home energy audit. And just a little background about primary energy in the United States. In this graph, you can see the total consumption of energy is about 97.4 quadrillion British thermal units, and of that, about 37.8 quadrillion BTUs is used for electric power, and it's mostly generated by natural gas, coal, renewable energy, and nuclear electric power. And it can be noted that a lot of it is generated from coal. And this slide, we're going to be talking about electricity use around the world. In the right here, we can see a map of the world, and in the dark areas, you can see there's a high usage of electricity. In terms of numbers, in the left here, we can really see that in 2015, China had the highest consumption of electricity, about 5,271 billion kilowatt hours, and second, just below 4,000 billion kilowatt hours for the United States. Besides those two countries, most of them use about less than 1,000 billion kilowatt hours. So here is my weekly usage of appliances. In this chart, it shows the number of hours of usage for different appliances. So I tested for cell phone charger, a hair dryer, lamp, TV, Xbox game console, laptop charger, overhead light, and my computer. So you can see the most amount of hours of usage were the lamps, the overhead light, the computer, and the cell phone charger. And for taking measurement of my usage, I used a kilowatt meter to measure the power in watt when the appliances were in use, like in the second picture. And I also make sure to check for any phantom power that they would have when the appliances are still plugged in but when they're not in use, like third picture. And there's a difference between constant power appliances and variable power appliances. The constant power appliances would be like hair dryers that supply constant power, and the only appliance that I had which had variable power was my computer. So how I calculated my usage was I plugged my PC into the kilowatt meter, and then I let it run for 24 hours, and I divided the amount of kilowatt usage by the amount of hours I used. Monthly residential electricity consumption in the United States ranges from approximately 531 kilowatt hours per month to 1,254 kilowatt hours per month. Residential electricity consumption in Minnesota averages about 793 kilowatt hours per month, which ranks 33rd in the nation. Looking at my total usage of energy, the biggest amount of energy that was used by one of the appliances was the lamp. Contributed to about 4.6 kilowatt hours per day and 138.03 kilowatt hours per month, which is really the biggest contributor to my usage of energy. The total average energy used per day came to about 5.893 kilowatt hours per day, 180.54 kilowatt hours per month, and 2,250.13 kilowatt hours per year. Looking at my appliances, I can definitely change my lamp to a more efficient one.